So let's welcome our next special guest on our show today, Miss Nafisa Nazneen. Nafisa is a corporate trainer, a posh enabler, a student facilitator, a passionate microbiologist, and a passionate podcaster. So welcome on our show today, Nafisa. We are very happy and delighted to have you over here.
Thank you so much, Rashmi. Even I am happy and delighted to be part of your show today. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
My pleasure, Nafisa. And since you are a passionate podcaster, we'd like to hear your special introduction from your own self.
Sure, I love my introduction. Well, hello friends. I am Nafisa Nazneen, blessed to be mother of a smart son, wife to a loving, talented, handsome, having a decade of working experience as a microbiologist, now turned a soft skill, life skill, corporate and public trainer, come speaker, and I'm a podcaster too. I firmly believe that I am born to shine, and so are all living creatures. Thank you so much.
Wow, what a lovely intro, Nafisa.
Yeah,
That was amazing. So, on this special occasion of Women's
thank
Day,
you.
Nafisa, what message would you like to send out to our women fraternity?
Well, first of all, Rashmi, I would love to wish you and all our viewers a very, very happy Women's Day 2020, International Women's Day, right? So, yes, on this special occasion, I would love to share small tips, you can say, the why and the how about, the importance of body language, because I myself, I feel being a woman, body language is something which we should be very much aware of, whether we work in, I mean, whether we are in our professional life or in personal or in homemaker, it hardly matters. The way we portray, the way we are, it's a part of communication skills, our body language. So I'll be speaking short on that.
Wow, interesting. I think body language is a very informative concept, and yes, we'd like to hear it from you.
Yeah, sure. So I would love to start with, a beautiful quote, not exactly the quote, but yeah, it's a belief which is said in the Holy Quran, that a woman, when she is born as a daughter, I mean, when she's born, when she is gifted to a family, so she is considered as a very beautiful soul, right? And when she becomes she opens the door of Jannah to her father when she is born in this earth to a family. When she becomes a wife, she opens the door, or say iman of her husband increases when she becomes a wife to a husband. And when becomes a mother, then the whole Jannah is put on her feet. So this is the dignity of a woman in Islamic Quran, which people have modified and manipulated in so many ways, but the actual essence of a woman in Islam is this. And apart from that, women are, they are the greatest selfless love, care, and affection thing which God has created. We women are so beautiful. I feel really lovely to born as a woman. I really love, and I feel the same for other women as well. Respect and lot of love. So apart from that, yes, but the thing is, we are nurturer, we are the creation of that Almighty Creator. So we have the power to transform life, to nurture, and we can give birth, we can groom a life, and apart from that, we have the capability to transform life, right? So until and unless we are fulfilled from inside, how can we give to the other person, right? So that is why I considered that communication skills part, that is body language, is something very important. Because being a posh enabler, also, I feel that, you know, we women have been treated more like a sex object by the society many a time. Though the scenario is changing now, but still it persists. It exists still, and it's very prominent. I won't name how it is prominent, but yes, it is prominent. So we have to take care, ladies, how we are portraying ourselves, how, we have to be conscious, we have to be mindful about how we are communicating with the other person. I'm not talking about the other person as a male or a female, it can be any gender. but then we should be mindful, right? How we are walking, how we are talking, what type of hand gestures, what type of facial expressions we are giving to the other person. So these all things, they matter a lot about people judging you or assuming or making opinions about you, right? So we have to take care of that thing. This is what I find important, why body language is important in a woman's life. Actually it is important for everyone's life, but women being being a woman, women's day and all those things, so I find that is more relatable to this.
Absolutely, Nafisa. You very aptly put in that body language is one such thing which we can manage our own selves, and we can portray and send it out, in the right way, get across the right message to people. And I'm sure, as you said, it could send out wrong messages or the right messages, which would help you in getting better opportunities as well, both on the
Right.
personal front and the professional front. So, in
Yeah.
this regards, Nafisa, could you give us some few tips which would help us improve our body language?
Sure, I would love to give that, Rashmi. So I'll share three basic, very basic tips. They are very basic, but yes, they are very important one. So the first one is my favorite one, which is smile. The Prophet Muhammad has said that smile as much as you can, because this is a free charity that we are giving to mankind. So it's for free. Why don't you smile? So we need to smile, but make sure that that smile again is not going to give a wrong signal to the other person, right? So we have to be again mindful and conscious about what type of smile, whether it is a flirty smile or a sarcastic smile. There are other so many types of smile also. So we have to make sure that your smile should be genuine one, and of course, I mean, they should be honest. You should be honest with your feelings, and your smile. Your smile should convey that, right? So I believe that we should give smile. That is the first thing that your body language should reflect about you as a person. Now, coming to the second point is your eye contact, which is again an important thing. Now many a time people they find it difficult to have eye contact, but it is again an important thing. We have to when we are communicating with people, we need to know that yes, the other person is understanding, and that you can understand until and unless you look into the eyes of the other person, right? Now that should be a general looking, not a gazing, so that the other person feels conscious, or you are making him or her embarrassed. So that should not be there. So you have to know, you should know the duration for how long you should have that eye contact and all. So that is another important aspect, or say tips to have eye contact during body language when you are conveying that. And the third, in a nutshell, I have clubbed all the things like your hand gesture, your entire body movement, your facial expression, you know, how you're carrying yourself, what type of dresses you're wearing. So depending on the things, this entire part will I have clubbed together and portrayed, presenting you all as point number three. So we have to take care of how we are, what type of gestures and expressions we are presenting to the other person. So because I believe that body language is nothing but a presentation of ourselves to the other person, right? We are presenting, we are gifting to the other person. Apart from the information which we are sharing with our words, we are presenting ourselves without words. So we have to be, friends, very mindful and conscious about that. So these three tips I can say I would like to share with the audiences, Rashmi. I hope
Great,
you like
great.
this.
I loved it. Actually, the first body language that you mentioned, the first tip, smile. I really loved it. And we could see it throughout the episode. We could see, Nafisa, that you were smiling and full of energy. So
Thank
that
you.
definitely gives out the right signal to anybody across you. And it's one curve that sets things straight. Smile is one curve which sets things straight. So, yeah, as
Yeah.
you mentioned, very, very good information, Nafisa. I'm sure it's going to help all the people who are watching this, and we can present ourselves and we can use our body language to portray the right message and get across and get better opportunities. So thank you so much, Nafisa, for giving such good inputs on our show today. And I loved having you on my show. Thank you so much for your precious time, and happy Women's Day.
I'm really very happy. Thank you, Rashmi, for giving me this opportunity. And I wish you one more time, keep shining. That is what I tell people.
Thank
Keep
you.
shining more and more. God bless you, and also your viewers. Not your, they are our viewers actually.
Yes.
So
Yes.
please, friends, smile a lot. Be mindful about whatever you are doing. Be conscious. Do it in the right way. And yes, stay blessed, stay happy, and happy, very, very happy International Women's Day to all the ladies, beautiful ladies, and the gentlemen, of course. So, God bless everyone. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Nafisa. Pleasure having you over. Thank you.